We're on to our final learning unit number 14. Please note right away that this learning unit is a bit shorter, from December 4th through December 8th, but the content is also relatively easy to get through and quick. And I think you're going to appreciate it because instead of just me hearing about and learning about your health promotion initiatives, you're going to be able to share in one another's and learn from one another. So for the outcomes, you're going to be able to do 3 things, and that's basically reviewing another group's presentation and providing them with respective or respectful critique. You're going to critique one of your fellow group members' presentations. So that's what we're going to do this week. There's no additional readings, etc. I'm hoping that everyone does please do the IDEA course evaluation. But again, it's requested. It's never required. But I learn a lot, and I can continuously improve upon this course. So you're going to download the peer evaluator form, and you're going to use that form to evaluate another group's health promotion program project. The directions are in the discussion board, but you can download this form and put your responses right on the form. Either attach it to your discussion board, or you can cut and paste from there. So the next one is you click on this folder and you're going to see 5 groups, and you're going to see and you're going to click on and review the group's health promotion project that you've been assigned to. So, and the reason I assign you to one, you can review all of them. That's wonderful. But I assign every group to another group, just to assure that every group is evaluated, to give all members a chance to learn from their peers of how they could have improved, and what a great job that they've done. So group 1 members will evaluate group 2, group 2 members will evaluate group 5. So just look at what group you're in currently and what group you're going to review. And for specifics, every group member is listed under either 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Okay, so you can click on here and just to double check to make sure, oh yeah, what group was I in and what group do I have to evaluate? And you're going to do that by using a form. And that form is like the grading rubric of the health promotion program. So, and again, this is your discussion board. So you're going to post it, your evaluator form that's completed, or copy and paste in your discussion board post. No reply otherwise is needed. And I think this is a great way to learn because sometimes an outside person can review our health promotion programs and offer us really good feedback. So kind of like the feedback that I'm hoping all of you will provide to me about this course in the IDEA survey. So I'm going to stop here. Now, seeing that this is due Sunday night, and I need to have all of these, all of the presentations are due Sunday night, and I need to have this up and ready for you Monday morning. So just give me a little bit of time. If you don't see your health promotion program that you're supposed to evaluate at 9 a.m. on Monday, try to give me a couple hours. And in the meantime, I'll show you what you can do next. What you can do next, or as you're waiting for your group, the group's health promotion program to be available to you, you can go ahead and look at the requirements for the finals week. So for this course, in lieu of, instead of a final exam, we have a final course reflection. And if you're in Nursing 402, it's the same thing. It's the same type of reflective process. And the last date I can accept any assignments for this course is the last day of final exams, which is December 14th, because I do need to get grades submitted. So, but this is available to you along with Learning Unit number 14. So both are going to be viewable at the same time. So you could do everything and be done by the 8th of December. That's up to you. But for the final course reflection, you're going to look at this course's outcomes. So there's 4 learning outcomes for this course. What you are expected to have learned from this course. And you know, when you started this course, you saw these outcomes, these student learning outcomes, in your syllabus, in the first couple of pages of the syllabus. But take a moment now and look through each one of the 4 student learning outcomes. And I've given you a sentence here about let me help you better understand outcome 3, because it's using terms such as social political involvement. So I've given you a little information about that. So what you're going to do is reflect on how you have achieved all 4 of these course outcomes. The paper is just a 1 to 2 page document. It's double spaced. It does not require citations per APA. It doesn't require a front page. Or a title page. I just ask that you put your name on your papers to make sure that I have the right person for the right paper. This is the digital Dropbox that you're going to upload it to. So here is your assignment. Briefly, because remember it's 1 to 2 pages, describe your ability to achieve each of the 4 learning outcomes. You're going to use examples from your class, your assignments, past learning experiences, or clinical experiences. The easiest way to do this is to write 1 to 4 on your paper. You don't have to write out you could just say number 1 learning outcome. I know what that is. But you're going to answer, how have you been able to predict the impact of the determinants of health, including socioeconomic status, culture, race, ethnicity, on the health and well-being of individuals, communities, and populations? So you can look back and go through your different learning units, and you can say, oh yeah, and the discussion board for learning unit number 5, I was able to really focus on this, or the assignment that I did was helpful in learning about this. So you're going to look through all the course tabs, the content tabs for learning units. You can look through your collaborative document that you used, the different course assignments, to review ways in which the learning assignments helped you to meet these student learning outcomes. So what did you do over the course of this course that helped you to meet these outcomes? Was it the readings? Were there certain readings that you did? Was it the use of the textbook? Was it working as a group? How did you reach these student learning outcomes? Thank you. And I want to thank you for your hard work and your willingness to work in groups and really collaborate with others, and all of the work that you did for health promotion in this class. And I hope I have you in another class. Thanks. Have a great holiday break.